Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I hope you are doing well. So in this video we're going to solve the following question. Given in this question, given the input of 5, given the input of 5, we have to print this triangle as our output. So yeah, first let's count the number of lines as we always do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each line, let's count the number of, what do we count? In this case, in the previous videos, we counted the number of stars. But in this video, we count the number of elements in each of the line. So in the first line, the number is 1. In the second line the number is 2, in the third line the number is 3, the fourth line is number 4, and fifth line the number is 5. So what can we say here? Can I say that in each line, depending on the line, let's say we are creative, we will create something like this, a box where all the lines will be consistent. Line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4. So in this case, can I say 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 4 and 5? So can we just say that the number of line in the number of lines I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 3, I equals to 4, I equals to 5? Can we say that this number is directly related to the solution our solution? Let's say we create these lines. Now we have to manipulate what's inside every line. What's inside every line? We have to manipulate that. So this is the second part. As I told you, we always have to create relationship between our input and our output. And now while writing the code, always remember, find the relation between the rows and the columns. So yeah, that would be it. So if we can find the relationship between the rows and the columns, our job would be done. So to manipulate a column inside a row, what can we do? So for row we know what, or we always do to print a row. For I in range 1 to n plus 1. Now to manipulate the columns we have to do something inside. As we are going to manipulate the columns inside of the line, so we have to print another for loop for, and the for loop would be inside because we are manipulating inside of the line I. We are manipulating this part, not the outside part. So the j loop would be inside of I. So for j in range, let's say 1 to I plus 1. And then what shall we do? If and doing this, what will it do? The j would start from 1, and then j would start from 1, then go to 2, then go to 3, go to 4, go to 5. So this is the j going in this direction. So for this, what can we say? What shall we print? Our job is done. J is traversing this list. J is traversing this line and going to 1 to 2, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. So can't we say that J is actually this numbers? J is this 1 comma 2 comma 3. J is this whole thing. So we can say this for J. If we print only J comma end, as we know, we have to create it like something in this line, so that the lines, we have to put an end after it, so the line, so the j output of the j would remain in one line, not go into another line. After that, after the job of a line is completed, if we use this end, if if as we are using this end, so that's why we also have to put a print. Otherwise all the rest of the lines will also come like this. Otherwise, if we don't put the print, the output would be like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3. Output would be like this without the print. So we can't accept that, and without an end the output would be like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3. So without the end, this is also not acceptable. So we have to add an print statement here, and this would be the explanation of the logic. Let's go and do the code. Okay, are you guys ready? So let's do it. Let's define the I loop first. For I in range, as the output is from 1 to 5, 1 starts from 1, so we are taking the I for loop from 1, and we are traversing it until n plus 1, because we know if we traverse till n plus 1, it will stop at n. So now we will have to do something in this line of thinking. For j in range 1 comma I plus 1, and now why am I doing I plus 1? As you can see, the j loop will run till I plus 1, and in this photo we can see that the j loop, can we say that the j loop here, j would be, for in this case the j loop would be 1, right? J equals to 1, j equals to 2, up to 2 j is running, till 2 1 2. In here j is running till 1 2 3. In here j is running till 1 2 3 4. In here j is running till 1 2 3 4 5. So I plus 1 depends 1 comma, we have to think about I plus 1. I plus 1 means we are taking this loop for the first line 1 comma 2. For the second line it would be 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Only this way we will get the numbers up to 1 to 5. If that's clear, then again let's dive into the code. For chain range 1 plus I plus 1, and let's do this. Let's print j comma end equals to, let's give a space between them, and as I said, if we don't print a line, they will all come into one line. And let's say, yeah, this code works completely, and let's submit it. Okay, So it works, and this would be the output. Thank you for joining with me, and it's goodbye from my side, Anubhav. Okay, have a good day.